Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 53 from A Exercises in James Stewart Calculus. So this question is asking for the absolute value of 2x minus 3 less equal 0.4. And here we're just going to use the rule directly. We'll use a similar rule in questions 47 and 49. And the rule says that for this to happen, the expression inside the absolute sign has to be between negative 0.4 and 0.4. Okay, so this is what will solve our problem. Now, all that we have to do is basically solve the inequality. So if we add 3 everywhere, we're going to have 2.6 on the left hand side. We're going to have 2x there. Then we're going to have 3.4 on that side. Then we can divide everything by 2 so that we only have x in the middle. And that will give us 1.3 on this side. And we're going to get x in the middle and 1.7 on that side. And I already gave an explanation of how this works in question 47. So if you haven't had a look at that, please click on the link above and you get an explanation there. This is all that you had to do in this question.